A lot of people think, I paid that account, so it should not hurt me anymore. But credit reports do not only show where the account is today, they also show the account's past. The payment history grid is the memory of the account. It shows what happened month by month. Here's what you'll learn in today's class: how to read your payment history grid, understanding key payment markers and their meanings, recognizing the impact of late payments, distinguishing between no data and negative data, and why closed accounts can still hurt your score. Let's get started. Here are some key terms for this lesson. Okay, the account was reported as paid on time for that month: 30, 60, 90, 120. These numbers usually show how many days late the payment was. ND. ND means no data. Blank month. A month with no marker. Now, let's jump in. Think of the payment history grid like a calendar. Each box stands for 1 month. The marker in that box tells a quick story. Did you pay on time? Were you 30 days late? Did the creditor stop reporting that month? This grid helps lenders see patterns, not just one score. Here are the big markers. OK or current usually means the account was on time that month. 30, 60, 90, and 120 mean the payment was that many days late. CO means charge-off, which means the creditor treated the debt as a serious loss. C may mean closed or something else, depending on the report. This part confuses many people. ND means no data. A blank month may also mean the creditor did not report anything that month. That is not the same as a late payment. No data means the report does not show a clear status for that month. Negative data means the report says something bad happened. This is the key lesson. An account can say paid, closed, or settled at the top, but the old months can still show late payments. Imagine cleaning your room today, but your report card still shows you missed homework last month. Credit works in a similar way. The current status and the history are different parts of the story. Not every credit report shows the grid the same way. One report may use colors, another may use numbers, another may use letters. Some apps may shorten the history or hide older details. That is why two reports can look different, even when they are talking about the same account.